Today I'm finally replacing this fucking headlight. Like I said in the last video, I don't know how easy this is gonna be to replace. Like I said, it might be a problem. Check it out. Brand new. Here's what's left of my turn signal. Ow, fuck! That burnt my fucking hand. Wow, that hurt. Get a screwdriver. Oh, there it goes. Something broke. Probably fine. Ow, that bulb is hot. There we go. Shit balls. Okay, so on this old headlight, there's a bunch of shit that it mounted to with a bolt, but there's another thing that was right here that's snapped off, and it's right there. So gotta unbolt that now. Fuck. You know what? I could probably work around this. No, I can't. I need to fuck you. I'm having fun already. Gosh darn it, Billy. Well, fuck. I lost that one again. I bought a bunch more of these because I knew I'd fucking break and lose all of them. I think every body shop should have like a stockpile of those stupid retaining clips. So I think body. Rusty. Yeah, that thing's thick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, god damn it, I forgot about that thing. Everything get off. Get off. Get the fuck off my car. Get off. Get off my fucking car, you bitch. I forgot about that one at the bottom. I didn't even know it had one. All right, now where's that other mount? It's right there. Great, so I gotta take my fucking bumper off partially. So I gotta take those off. I have to take this thing off, which is broken, and which the bumper's in the fucking way. And that's like not aggravating at fucking all. Are you fucking me in the ass right now? There's like a little hole here with one bolt in it. But you can never fucking find the bolt because it's a pain in the ass. Awesome. You're such a fucking asshole, you know that? And I hate you. You're like Christine. I gotta go get the other fucking extension. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay, I got it. Yay. Well, you really can't see that bolt in the dark at all. That's why I don't have the right size for it. God damn it. God damn it. All right, now, only now can I put that fucking headlight. All right, comes the fun part. Lights. Camera. Action. Fuck. As tight as that shit's gonna get. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's supposed to be in there just like that. Good enough. Ah, fuck you. I need something to hold it now. Fuck you. There we go. I'm getting pissed off. Right there. Fucking piece of shit. It's gonna have to do. You worthless piece of shit. What the fuck? Fuck it, I'm done. It looks like total fucking shit, but I don't care. I'm fucking done. That's gonna annoy me so fucking much. Okay, so this whole fucking plastic thing, I have to replace. I don't know how I'm gonna replace it. Like, there's no way I can know of replace. Hey there, editor me here. So I found out that whole thing is the radiator support. It's really expensive. I have to replace the entire thing. It's made of plastic. I'm so fucking angry. I'm so fucking angry. That's so goddamn annoying. It's so goddamn annoying. It's so fucking annoying. Alright, I'm fucking done. I don't care. I'm so done. It's gonna look like shit, but I don't care. I don't fucking care anymore. I'm just done. This fucking shit. I'm not officially done because it still looks like total dog shit. Right now, it works. That's all I care about. The reason this thing looks like shit in here is because this is bent and it's pushing out that way. This one looks equally as shitty. So I'm fucking done. I don't care. Fuck this shit. Gotta clean all this fucking shit up. I'm just so fucking done. I've been out here since 5 o'clock. It's now 10:11. I don't care. Another piece of my headlight.